Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2020, the session May-June. The question is question number 5. We'll be discussing simultaneous equations and inverse proportion. Let's start. So the question says solve these simultaneous equations, show your working. Now there are 2 or 3 methods to do that. I choose to do the elimination method. I choose to use that method because it's the shortest. You can use the graphing method, but there's no graph given to us here, or the substitution method, which is longer than the elimination method. In the elimination method, I write down the equations first. So the first equation is 2x minus 4y equals 11, and the second equation is 3x plus 3y equals negative 6. In order to eliminate one of the variables, I need to make sure that these variables are that either one of the variables are the same, but they have opposing signs. So I multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 4. When I multiply the first equation by 3, I get 6x minus 12y equals 33, and the second one that I get is 12x plus 12y equals negative 24. Now, I can easily eliminate negative 12y here and positive 12y here. So when I do that, one second, I eliminate these two. When I do that, the x adds up. 6x plus 12x gives me 18x equals 33 minus 24 gives me 9. So x is equal to 9 over 18 or 0.5. So we write the value of x here and find the value of y. In order to find the value of y, which is a simple process, you pick the value of x and plug it into one of these equations. I choose to plug it into the first equation. So instead of x, I write 0.5 minus 4y equals 11. 2 times 0.5 is 1 minus 4y equals 11. I bring the 11 on this side, take the negative 4y on that side. I get 1 minus 11 equals, 1 minus 11 equals 4y. Okay, 1 minus 11 gives me negative 10 equals 4y. So y is equal to negative 10 over 4 or 2.5. Negative 2.5. So I write negative 2.5 right there. Okay, let's move on to the next part. The next part says solve the equation 2x squared equals 3, and then inside the brackets you have 8 minus x. Show all your working and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places. In order to solve this equation, we need to first open this equation up. When you open this equation up, you get 2x squared equals 24 minus 3x. Then I bring everything to the left hand side so that I have a normal equation which gives me 2x squared plus 3x minus 24 equals 0. Now I can try using the middle term breaking method, the factorization method, or I can use the quadratic formula. This is the quadratic formula, which is the shortest method here. I get negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now a is 2, b is 3, and c is negative 24. So I put them here and I plug these values into the formula. So instead of 3, I would write negative 3 plus minus b square, which is 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 24 over 2 times 2, which is 4. So I write this. Then I solve the square root sign first. So I have negative 3 plus minus over 4. And I'm going to write the value here so that it's easier. 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 24. What do I get? I get a 201. Okay. Now x is equal to one of the values. So x is either equal to the positive value of this, which is negative 3 plus under root 201 over 4, or the negative value of this, I hope this is visible, minus under root 201 over 4. So I'm just going to calculate them, and the values of x I would write them over here. So if I do the positive one, this one first, I do negative 3 plus under root 201 divided by 4. I get negative 2 points, no, I get positive 2.79. So I write positive 2.79. Okay, give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Perfect. And if I do this one, negative 3 minus under root 201 divided by 4, I get negative 4.29. Negative 4.29. So these are my values of x. I write them here. Negative 4.29 and the other value was 2.79. Excellent. Let's move on. The next part says h is inversely proportional to the cube of g. H is 4.5 when g is 2. Find the formula for h in terms of g. So, inverse proportion means that h is equal to k over g cubed. Don't forget the cube. So first we need to find the constant. The constant here is the value of k. The values of h and g are given to you. We plug this into the formula. When we do that, h is 4.5 equals k over 2 cube. So k would be 2 cube, which is 8. 8 times 4.5. K comes out to be 8 times 4.5. K comes out to be 36. So the formula is h equals 36 over g cubed. I write that here. H equals 36 over g cubed. The next part says find the value of g when h is 32 over 3. So if h is 32 over 3 and the other side of the equation is as it was 36 over g cubed, I bring the g cube on the left and bring the 32 over 3 on the right. So I do this. I can cross multiply it. So it becomes g cubed equals 36 over 32 over 3, which can also be written as g cubed equals 36 over 1 times 3 over 32. So g cubed is equal to 3 times 36, which is I think 96. 3 times 36, oh, it's 108. Wow, I suck at math. 1 over 2, 108 over 32. If I simplify this, I would get 108 divided by 32 gives me 27 over 8. If I find the cube root of the right hand side, I get 3 over 2, which is my value of g. So I write the 3 over 2 over there. I hope the question made sense. The complete working is of course present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.